Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Simply New England. So you're probably wondering why I am just standing here in front of my machine. Well, today is a special day. Today is going to be the day we do the Yamatic product testing. Yamatic has sent me a bunch of different products and we're going to test them out today. As you can see, I got the machine pretty dirty for you. Yamatic, in this case today, they have sent me a lot of products having to do with pressure washing. A pressure washer hose, a pressure washer gun, pressure washer attachments and nozzles, a foam cannon, which I'm super excited to use. We'll be filling the foam cannon with some Chemical Brothers suds. And also today, in this video, make sure you stay tuned. I want you all to keep your eyes open for an Easter egg. So what do you think about that? An Easter egg? Okay, let me explain the Easter egg to you. At some point in this video, you're just going to see a random Easter egg placed somewhere. I won't make it super hard to find, but I won't make it super easy to find either. What you'll do is, once you see that Easter egg, so stick with the whole video, make sure you find it. What I will ask you to do is go down into the video comment section. When you see the Easter egg, type in hashtag Easter egg. This will only work for this video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving away a Simply New England limited edition Marky B Off-Road Club t-shirt. So come join the club, get one of our limited edition t-shirts, and one of the new logo stickers that I just recently created and designed. We'll also be sending you one of those. So just for finding the Easter egg, putting hashtag Easter egg down in the description, you'll be entered into the contest. And then what I'll do is I did before when I gave away the free winch stoppers, I'll do a quick live video. I'll use the randomizer and then pick a winner. There'll be a second and third place winner as well. The second and third place winner will receive a Simply New England off-road sticker, and the second and third place winner will automatically be entered into our Drive for 1,000 contest, and you could win a free t-shirt. With all that stuff out of the way, let's jump right into the products. As you can see behind me, I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have around 5 different products that Yamatic has sent me. So let's go ahead. Let me give you a quick explanation of those, and then we'll get into the demo. And don't forget, keep your eye out for that Easter egg, and make sure when you find it, down in the comment section, hashtag Easter egg to be included in today's contest. All right, so next up on the list, we're going to go ahead and unbox this Yamatic foam cannon. Let's see what we got in here. So you've got a foam cannon bottle. Let's see. You've got the foam cannon parts, the hose, some instructions in here, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. But we can take a quick look, and it just shows how this would work depending on which model spray gun that you have. So in this case, we have the type 1 connector pressure with washer spray gun. It really saves a lot of time. I love how you're just nice and close to the machine. It's got the safety on it, as you can see. And let's see, so what we've got. So what you're gonna do here, just gonna take your hose, put that on here. Don't forget the hose. Put that on there nicely. Wow, this is real. I have another one of these foam guns. You can just tell by feeling this one's really high quality. Tells you which way to increase or decrease the foam spray, the amount of spray you want out. Well, thank you for hanging out with me and watching me wash my machine, but the bigger part of this is not so much that I washed a Cfmoto, but that I used the sponsored product from Yamatic. So let me give you my real impression on these products, and regardless of being sent some free stuff or not, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to start with the foam cannon. The foam cannon, thoroughly impressed. You were able to see it from the video. This nozzle is super heavy duty. This plastic, it's not just like flimsy and cheap, it's solid heavy duty plastic. you were able to see it for yourself. It worked really great. And these fittings, again, these are solid. The Yamatic spray wand. Okay, so I have the spray wand that comes with the Greenworks Pro that you saw in the video. This handle, I gotta tell you, it's heavy duty. It's better than the one that came on my Greenworks. I do like that this one has the safety handle. I did have a friend a little while back who was using a pressure washer and actually kind of blew a little hole, almost through, not through his hand, but enough that he had to get surgery on it. So this is no joke. When it comes to using pressure washers, definitely be safe with them when you're doing stuff and you're kind of messing with it, that you don't put it towards you and hit that by accident. This is a great feature. I like that, again, because I know someone who actually did hurt their hand with the pressure of one of these pressure washer sprays. The fittings, they pop on and off really nice. They're really quick, so thumbs up on this as well. The wand, what I liked about the wand was, as you were able to see from the video, when I needed to get up to areas that were higher, you know, above my head, especially with someone who might be shorter, this was definitely a plus to have. I like the ability to be able to disconnect it from the spray gun. I have not owned one before that was standalone like this, so to be able to just get up close and get right into different areas, that was a huge plus. Yamatic sells all the different fittings, all the couplings, everything that you need in order to adapt these to your current machine, whether it be a Honda or even an electric one like my Greenworks. It doesn't really matter. They sell the fittings for it. So I highly recommend the gun. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I mean, I gotta give this a 10. There was not one thing that didn't work for me. The only issue I did have, and it had nothing to do with the Yamatic product, it more had to do with probably my discussion with the person that I've been dealing with at Yamatic. It was a 3,500 PSI hose that got sent to me. My machine is for 2,300. It still worked, but the pressure was really lagging, so I did have to go back to the original hose that came with the Greenworks. However, as far as that Yamatic hose goes, it does not kink. It was 50 feet of hose. It was so much easier to use when I first started getting around the machine than using the shorter hose that comes with whatever machine you buy, whatever pressure washer you buy to do your work. So that is massively convenient. The hose was super heavy duty. Again, kink free. It doesn't kink up. I was able to just pull it straight out, come back with it and walk around. And the whole time I was using it, it never bound up. That was a big plus. I'm sure you guys saw the Easter egg at some point in this video. Make sure that you put hashtag Easter egg in the video comment section. I'll compile all of the folks that did hashtag Easter egg, and then I will do a live giveaway video. Whether you're able to see the live or not, I'll keep it posted, so you can always come back to me and let me know that you won. So you don't have to watch the live. I'm gonna go ahead and post who won regardless in the Cfmoto Everything group, and I'll also post in that video description of this Yamatic video that I just did for you to go back and find out afterwards. And then once you do, you just go into my channel, you'll find the links to get to my email. You can message me, send me a message, and you will win a free Simply New England Off-Road Club t-shirt and one of the new summer edition Simply Off-Road stickers. So I think that's all I've got for you today. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If any other product companies are watching, please hit me up. I love to do demos. I'm very fair and honest when I do them. I would certainly love to show off your products that have to do something with the off-road world. It can be anything. Again, this isn't necessarily off-road, but we clean our off-road machines with them. With all that being said, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Yamatic. These products were great. I will be using them. I thank you so much for providing me with these, and I get to keep them. Anything you need from Yamatic, you can go into my video description. You'll find their website. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link. I believe that I'm also going to be able to provide you with an 8%, it's like 8 to 10% off your total purchase price. You're just going to put in my code. Again, go into the video description. You'll see all of that in there. You'll also see links to the Cfmoto Everything group. to my t-shirt page, as well as links to the Instagram group that I run, and a few other things. So guys, just check it out. And I want to thank you very much for hanging with me, supporting the channel. Aaron here, Simply New England Off-Road. I'm out.